Quick question. Where do you think Instagram lives? Your phone, your pocket, your hand, your couch scroll? Well, you'd be right. The answer is yes. That's how we've all thought about it. But that just changed. Instagram is officially launched on TV, starting on Amazon Fire TV specifically. That means Reels are now showing up on the biggest screen in your house, not just in your hand, but also in your living room and in your office. And this is way bigger than it sounds. Up until now, Reels lived in private moments, in your bed, in line, in meetings, in your kitchen, on your phone, in your earbuds. So ask yourself, what kind of impact could that have on your content or the engagement for which your content sees? So moving forward, your content can now play while people are talking, while dinner's cooking, while kids are playing, while a team is waiting for a meeting to start. That's a completely different kind of attention that we've ever seen before. On a phone, content is disposable, arguably. People scroll, they like, they forget, but with a TV in a shared setting, your content becomes part of the room. It sits in the background. It fills space. It becomes familiar. And here's the twist most brands are missing. This isn't about going viral. This is about where your brand exists in someone's day. The phone comes and goes. TV content lingers. It plays while people talk. It stays on while life happens, right? It becomes part of your memory, especially when it happens in a group setting. And the things we see in these moments are the ones we remember later on. Not because they were loud, but because they were there. People were there. Loved ones were there with us. This also signals something bigger. Social platforms aren't just feeds anymore. They're becoming media networks. We've watched this happen before, and we've seen it with YouTube. YouTube is obviously one of the largest, most powerful websites in the world. But what's also made it powerful is that it is now a television network. It's available as an app on almost all smart TVs today. And not only are people streaming shows, but they're also watching content. And Instagram has taken a page out of YouTube's playbook, and they've decided to see if they can make the same magic happen. What we're going to see moving forward is that short form video isn't just mobile content anymore. It's shared content, it's ambient content, it's living room content, it's programmatic. And every new channel follows the same pattern. The early brands learn faster, being early adapters. They pay less for attention, they build relevance before it gets crowded, and by the time everything feels mainstream, the advantage is already gone. Instagram is on TV, it's still early. Most brands aren't thinking about it. Most strategies are still built for phones. That windows don't stay open. The companies that lean into this now won't just be testing a new format. They'll be shaping how their category shores up in shared spaces. So the real question isn't, is this interesting? It's this: are you building for where the attention used to be or where it's going to be next? I want to know, will you be an early adapter, or are you going to wait to see what happens?